Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple way to start earning online without having your own product, today's video is exactly what you need. We're talking about ClickBank affiliate marketing, how it works, and how you can start earning passive income right from your laptop. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to scale up, this guide has something for you. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is ClickBank? ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketplaces on the internet. It connects product creators with people like you who want to earn commissions by promoting their products. You don't need to create a product, handle customer service, or even worry about shipping. You simply promote products and get paid for every sale you help generate. ClickBank offers a huge variety of products, from fitness and health programs to self-help and digital tools. And the best part, some products offer commissions as high as 75%. Imagine earning that kind of percentage on each sale. That's why ClickBank is so popular for affiliate marketers. Signing up is super easy, and best of all, it's free. Just head to clickbank.com, click on Create Account, and fill out your basic information. Once you're signed in, you'll find the marketplace. This is where you'll search for products to promote. On the left, you'll see product categories ranging from health, fitness, business, and more. Choose a category that aligns with your interests or your audience's interests. Now, when searching for products, one thing to look out for is the gravity score. The gravity score tells you how well a product is selling for other affiliates. The higher the gravity, the better it's converting. A score above 20 is usually a good starting point. Now, choosing the right product is key to making money. You want to look for products that not only have a high gravity score but also offer a good commission. Products with commissions of 50% or more are ideal. For example, in the health niche, you might find a fitness program that offers a 65% commission. If that program costs $100, you make $65 for every sale you generate. Another thing to check is the affiliate resources provided by the seller. These resources might include things like banners, pre-written email campaigns, and social media posts. Having these tools makes your job easier, especially if you're just getting started. Alright, now you've picked a product. How do you promote it? There are a few ways to do this, and I'll go over some of the most effective ones. One popular method is blogging. You can write product reviews, comparison articles, or even how-to guides related to the product you're promoting. If you're into writing, this is a great way to provide value while including your affiliate links in the content. Next up is YouTube. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Just record product reviews, tutorials, or how-to videos that explain the product. Be sure to add your affiliate link in the description below the video. Another great method is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are fantastic for sharing bite-sized content. You can post short videos, images, or infographics, and include your affiliate links in the bio or swipe up links in your stories. Lastly, there's email marketing. If you have an email list, send out newsletters or promotions about the product you're promoting. Email marketing can be highly effective since you're promoting to people who already trust you. Now that you know how to promote, here are a few bonus tips to help you boost your ClickBank sales even more. Focus on building trust with your audience. Be honest in your product reviews and only promote products you truly believe in. If your audience trusts you, they're more likely to click your links and make a purchase. Offer bonuses to people who buy through your affiliate link. For example, if you're promoting an online course, you could offer a free ebook or a private coaching session as an extra incentive. Always track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics or ClickBank's reporting features to see which products are converting the best. You can adjust your strategy based on what's working. And that's a wrap on this beginner's guide to ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now that you know how to find great products and promote them, it's time to take action. Start by signing up on ClickBank, find your niche, and begin earning today. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.